Ooh,
why did you put this car in the garage?
Spent the evening working on it.
Rachel, maybe you can make him sleep there.
Yeah. He probably would want to anyway, so.
Hey, Beeson. Is it so? There. That's so funny. Has it got a button and everything?
Yeah.
That's brilliant. Oh, look at that. No, what's going on? Hey, Shane. It's like...
Actually, Ray, just press it.
Woo! Panic stations. Come on, Beeson. Come on, Bee.
Anything else?
Oh, some salt.
I don't think it needs salt.
No, not yours. What?
We
You
don't
need
use
seasoning.
salt, do we? We use pepper.
You need seasoning. don't you?
We?
So yeah, we need seasoning.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just got to watch, what's its name,
Oh, I think some, like, petrol when they...
Yeah, things were in the evening, didn't they?
It was a panic because the door was coming down and he hadn't gone back far enough. It was like, no, Rach, no, press the button.
Well, he has to do to the house. He has done his show.
Why are you putting this car in? You couldn't nick it. The front door was open when we arrived.
We decided that you could play in the
Everyone walk around and
yeah.
say, they don't need boxes.